If you are interested in learning how to invest in cryptocurrencies, or you're thinking of how to learn trading crypto to make money online, then this is a video you need to watch to the end, because in this video I want to show you how you can get access to where you can learn how to invest in crypto or how to trade cryptocurrencies to make a lot of money for yourself. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming on to this channel, my name is Awajima Misioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you places where you can actually make money for yourself and grow your business online. Okay, so if you're ready with me, then kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribe to the video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. Okay, make sure not to miss anything, make sure not to miss any part of this video, because I'll be showing you something very important in this video. All right, so let's get into the video. Now, before we get in, you need to understand that to do crypto, to invest in cryptocurrency business as a beginner, you need to first learn how it works. Okay, a lot of people make that mistake of coming to YouTube and typing how to start cryptocurrency and how to do all of that. That's fine, but the disadvantage with that is that you're going to see tons of videos that are giving you very good information. All right, you get very good information, but at the end of the day, something happens to you. You get so much of those information that at some point you begin to get what we call information overload, and because of that, you may not even know what next to do after you have taken in so much of information that are so good to you, that is so good. Okay, that is why I do not advise you as a beginner to go to YouTube and start watching different videos about how to do cryptocurrency. You need a platform where somebody can actually mentor you and show you the exact steps to follow, so that you don't blow up your money. Imagine you're a salary earner and you pick your part of your salary, like let's say you are earning 150k in a month, and then you put in 100k just to invest because you're thinking of making quick money, and then you blow up your money. Why? Because you don't have the real knowledge of how to do these things. That is why I want to show you this. Okay, so let's get into my Chrome. I'll go to my Chrome and I'll just show you a place where you can actually get the real mentorship for cryptocurrency business. All right, so look at this platform here. Let me just go straight to the first part. Look at this platform here. This is where you can actually learn how to do cryptocurrency business and how to trade and how to make a lot of money for yourself. Okay, I'm going to drop the link to this page in my description, so do well to check the link in the description so that you don't miss it. All right, now this is the page where you can get access to learning how to invest in cryptocurrency or how to trade in cryptocurrency. Now, the owner of this page is the king of crypto that we know, whose name is Jackto Precious. All right, Jackto Precious is one of those top leading earners when it comes to trading cryptocurrency, when it comes to making a lot of money from crypto. And that's why you need to follow this guy. That's why you need to invest in learning. All right, now let's come from the beginning. It says, let's just look at the page together so you can see some of the things that are on this page. It says, if you can set aside an hour each day to follow the crypto profit kit trading method, the crypto profit kit trading method, then you too can benefit from the simplest way to make 6 to 7 figures every single week from trading from home. Okay, without being an expert analyst, without being a gifted trader, or without solving any special problems. People are making bastard money trading cryptocurrencies, but the thing is, you really need to learn how it works before you start trading, otherwise you blow a lot of money. So like I said before, this is Jackto Precious, one of the kings of cryptocurrencies from Nigeria. So now look at testimonials of different people that have done this and it's still working for them. Dakpo was able to turn his $150 to $600 in his first week. This is very possible, guys. Look at another one. Laura made 2.5 million in just 2 weeks from this and calls this method the money making machine. So people are making a lot of money. As you can see, these are testimonials from people that are doing this business. As you can see, these are testimonials from people who are doing this business. Okay, look at testimonials. Look at testimonials. Look at testimonials. A lot of testimonials. Can you see this now? Look at. So there's so much you will see on this page if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, and I advise you to go through this page. All right, check the link in my description to get access to this page. So I don't want to waste your time with all of this. Let me just scroll down to where you can see what you'll be getting if you get access to this page. All right, if you get access to the crypto profit kits learning platform, all right, what are the things you are going to be learning? Let me take you down to the offer area where you can see what you are going to be learning. Now look at this place. Let me scroll down. Now when you get access to the crypto profit kit today, you're going to be learning an intro to cryptocurrencies, which is very beginner friendly. Okay, you're going to learn everything you need to know about how to start trading cryptocurrency. Inside, you will learn a brief history of cryptocurrency and why this is important to your trading. You're also going to learn the meaning of trading versus investing. You're going to learn where to buy Bitcoin and other altcoins. You're also going to learn how to spot low cap coins that can do 50x or more. You're going to learn how to keep your assets safe while you are tripling your portfolio. There's so much to learn if you get into this. Can you see another testimony? Okay, look at testimonials. Making money is all I desire in life, and Jacto Precious made my dreams come true. I turned $200 to $4,000 in 3 weeks with the knowledge I got from his CPK course. All thanks to my life saver. Can you see? So the second thing you're going to learn in the second section is fundamental analysis. All right, where you're going to be learning how it works, how to take money generation trades using fundamental analysis, and how you can make a lot of money using this idea to trade. Okay, that is section 2. Section 3, you're going to look at the technical analysis. All right, how to use technical analysis to enter profitable trades. All right, inside it, you're going to learn the introduction to technical analysis and why it is important, how to use candlesticks, how to use various indicators, how you can actually get support and resistance zone, and so many other things you are going to be learning. And there are even bonuses. Okay, there are bonuses. Look at the bonuses below here. So for you to, if you're interested in this, right, if you're interested in this, one of the things you need to understand is you need some money to invest. This is not for people who are always wanting things for free. Okay, this is for people that have income, that are earning money. Okay, if you're already earning money, you have a job already you are doing. This is not for people who are looking for jobs. No, this is for people who are already making money. Probably you have a business, or maybe you have a source of income. You are a salary earner that is actually making at least 150k or 200k. All right, at least you have a source of income. Then this is something you can actually invest in. Okay, the beautiful thing is there is a support group. So in case you join the platform, you get access to the training, and then you need someone to answer your questions, you can always go to the support group and then ask your questions. And also you also get to get signals of what is working and what is not working inside the support group. Okay, so if you want to be part of this, if you want to get to this page I will drop the link in the description. So do well to check the link in my description and click on it, and it will take you to this page. Okay, that is all I'm going to take for this video. Now, if you want to learn how to make money online, or you want me to mentor you directly one-on-one, just check the link in the description. I'll also drop a link where you can access, you can get access to me. Okay, now this is not for people who don't have a source of income. This is not for people who are saying I want it for free. No, there is a price to pay for you to make money online. So if you have what it takes, go to the link in the description, just look for any of the links and click on it, and you get access to whichever one you want. All right, so if you haven't liked this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure to turn on the notification bell. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.